Question number 31 to 40 arithmetic questions are not. Next 41 to 45, which one? Approximations. Next 46 to 50, 46 to 50, which one? Table or diagram? Table. Next 51 to 55, quadratic equations. Next 56 to 60, number series. Next 61 to 65, comparison of quantities or not. Okay, first number series, question number 56 to 60. 450, 450, 444, 420 and 360 are not. First priority which one? Number series. 450, 450 difference 0. 450 and 444 6. 444 and 420 24. 420 and 360 60 or not. Okay, what is the 1 cube minus 1? 0. Means we written n cube minus n format or not. N cube minus n. 1 cube minus 1, 2 cube minus 2, 3 cube minus 3, 4 cube minus 4, 5 cube minus 5. Next one, 6 cube, sorry, 5 cube minus 5, how much? 120 or not. 360 minus 120, how much? 240. Next 57. 24, 12 means series will be decreased and increased or not. Then it will be taken multiplication concept or not. What is the half of the 24? 12. 22, 18 into 1 and half or not. 12 into 1 and half, how much? 18. 18 to 2 and half, 45 into half into 1 and half into 2 and half. Next one, into 3 and half or not. 45 3 times 135, half of the 45, 22.5. Total it is 157.5. Next 58. Series will be decreased and finally we are getting least value or not. Starting with larger number, ending with smaller number, means division concept or not. What is the half of the 178? Half of the 178, 89. We are subtracting 1 or not. By 2 minus 1, 88 by 2, 44 minus 1, 43 or not. Half of the 178, 89 minus 1, 88, 88 by 2, 44 minus 1, 43, 43 by 2, 21, sorry, 43 by 2 means we are getting 21.5, minus 1 means 20.5, again 20.5 by 2 means it is 10.25 or not. In this one, 1 subtracting or adding? 1 subtracting. What is the remaining value? 9.25. Next 59. 7, 8, 17, 52, 209. Starting with a smaller number but ending with larger number or not. Means multiplication or not. 7, 8 into 1 plus 1 or not. Next 8 to 17 into 2 plus 1 or not. Next into 3 plus 1. Next one into 4 plus 1. Obviously next one into 5 plus 1 or not. Verify the ending with ending value or not. 9 5s are how much? 45. Plus 1 means 6. Ending with 6, how many options? Only 1 or not. Next question number 60. What is the difference between 127 and 144? Minus 17 or plus 17? Plus 17. 144, 110. Minus 34, 110 and 161. Plus 51, 161 and 93. Minus 68, 17, 34, 51, 68. Next one, plus 85. What is the answer? 178. Or else alternative or not. 127, 110, 93. 144, 161 next one or okay. Next priority quadratic equations. There is no simplifications in this. Next one, quadratic equations. Question number 51 to 55. X square minus 12x plus 36 equal to 0. What is the product value? 36. Some value minus 12 or plus 12? Minus 12. Then x final roots we return plus 6, again plus 6 or not? Next y roots, y square equal to 36, y value are plus or minus 6. Plus 6 compared to 6 equal, plus 6 compared to minus 6 greater. Then relation x greater than or equal to y. Which option? Fifth one. Next. First equation 4x square minus 18x plus 20 equal to 0 or not? Then total equation we are divided by 2 or not? What is the remaining equation? 2x square minus 9x plus 10 equal to 0 or not? Coefficient of x square is how much? 2. Coefficient of y square also 2. Equal coefficients means directly we are take the factors or not? 2 into 10 how much? 20. Product to 20 but some value 9 means 5 comma 4. Then x final roots we return 5 comma 4. Second, 2 tens are how much? 20. Y values also we are get the 5 comma 4 or not? Answer, no relation, because we are get the same numbers or different numbers? Same numbers. 5 compared to 5 equal, but 4 compared to 5 less than, but 5 compared to 4 greater. Less than greater than means relation can't be established. Next 53. What is the coefficient of x square? 2. But coefficient of y square also 2. Equal coefficients or not? 2 into 24, 48 means 8 and 6. The next final roots we return minus 8 minus 6. Second one, 2 tens are how much? 20. Product to 20, some value 9. Then y roots are minus 5 minus 4. Minus 8 compared to minus 5 less than, minus 8 compared to minus 4 less than, again minus 6 compared to minus 5 minus 4 less than. Overall relation x less than y. Next question number 54. What is the coefficient of x square? 3. But coefficient of y square 5 means x roots are multiplied by 5 times, y roots are multiplied by 3 times or not? Because what is the LCM of 3 comma 5? 15. 3 how many times? 5 times. 5 how many times? 3 times. What is the 3 into 40? 120. Product to 120. But some value is how much? 23. 15 into 8 or not? 15 8 is how much? 120. One is plus 15, another one are plus 8. Second one, 5 into 36 or not? 5 into 36, 180. Nothing but 18 and 20 or not? But we required some values how much? 36. What is the possibility? 30 and 6 or not? 30 and 6. 5 into 36 means I return 5 into 6 into 6 or not? 5 6 how much? 30. What is the remaining value? 6. One will be plus 30, another one are plus 6. What are the x final roots? Minus 75 minus 40. Y final roots? Minus 90 minus 18 or not? Okay. Negative 75, negative 40 compared to negative 90. Less or more? No. Minus 75, minus 90, minus 40. In between value or not? Then relation can't be established or not? Minus 40, minus 90, minus 75. In between or not? Means one will be less than, another one are greater than. Less than greater than means can't be established or not? Okay. Next question number 55. 2x square plus 9x plus 10 equal to 0. What is the coefficient of x square? 2. Coefficient of y square? 2. Equal coefficients or not? 2 tens are how much? 20. 5 and 4 are not? X final roots are minus 5, minus 4. 2 into 15, 30. Means 5 and 6. Y final roots minus 5, minus 6 are not? Okay. Negative 5 equal. Negative 5, negative 6 less than. Negative 4 compared to negative 5 and negative 6. Greater or lesser? First case equal, greater, greater or not? Then relation x greater than or equal to y. Quadratic equations complete. Next, approximations. Question number 41. All the options differences are more values or less values? More values or not? Okay. What is the value? 80% of which one? 620. Divide by which one? 12 or not? Okay. 12 almost 620 50 times or not? Almost, not exactly. Okay. It is 80%. 80% of 50. 40. 78 and 40 difference? 38. Which one is the closer value? 36. Next, 42. What is the one of the value? 620. Denominator 65. What is the 10 times of 65? 650. But second one is less than 10 times or more than 10 times? Less than 10 times. Then answer will be 10 plus 10 less than 20 times or not? Only one option or not? 620 is 10 times value. 289 less than 10 times or not? Then answer must be less than 20 times or not? How many options? Only one or not? Next, 43. 1025 which one square? 1024 is perfect square or not? It is which one square? 32 square. Then I written 32 into 32 or not? Okay. But in left hand side 16 square or not? 16 how many times? 32? 2 times. 16 again how many times? 2 times. Okay. Under root of 786 means it is which one square? 28. 28 by which value? 4. Means we are getting 7. Next, 44. What is the product value? 140 into how much value? 560 or not? 140 into 4 means how much value? 560. And what is the first one? 660 plus second one is 1170 or not? Okay. Plus 60 minus 60 cancel or not? Then ending with must be 70. But before this one, 6 plus 11 how much? 17 minus 5, 12. Means answer will be 1270. Next. First one is 45 square or not? What is the 45 square? 2025. Second one, 14 square. How much? 196. Next one, 27 square or not? 27 square means 780, 729 equal to something or not? Okay. Plus 25 minus 29 cancel or not? Okay. 2000 minus 200 or not? How much? 1800. 1800 minus 700. 1100. Fourth option or not? Next. Approximations also complete. Next, comparison of quantities. In this paper, comparison of quantities are easy or not? Yes. I think direct questions are not. What is the quantity one? The probability of getting 4 on a single throw of which one? Dice. Probability of getting 4 on a single throw of a dice. Dice nothing but how many chances? 6 chances. But we required 4 will be how many times are taken? 4 upon which one? 6 or not? 4 upon 6 or 1 upon 6? 1 upon 6. 4 how many times are possible? Only one time. Then answer 1 by 6. Second one, the probability of getting a card spades from a pack of how many cards? 52 cards in a single draw or not? Total how many cards? 52 cards. In that spades are how much? 13 cards or not? That one will be spade means 13C1 by 52C1 or not? 13C1 means 13, 52C1 means 52. What is the remaining value? 1 by 4 or not? Out of 52 we are take the one card. That one card must be which one? Spade. Spades are how much? 13 means 13C1 by 52C1. What is the Q1 value? 1 by 6. What is the Q2 value? 1 by 4. Obviously Q1 is greater than Q2. Numerators are same or different? Same, but denominators are different or not? If denominator more, fraction are lesser. Answer Q1 less than Q2. Sorry, 1 by 6 and 1 by 4 or not? Then it will be less value. Answer Q1 is less than Q2. $62 will be comparison or not? We required comparison or not? Comparison nothing but ratio or not? 20 how many times 60? 3 times. 30 how many times 60? 2 times. 20 how many times 40? 2 times or not? Okay. Numerator 2 zeros, denominator 2 zeros are cancelled or not? 2 into 2 into 16. 64. What is the second one? 25. Then relation Q1 is greater than Q2. We required comparison or not? If we required comparison, just to take the ratio or not? Next. 20 how many times 40? 2 times. 30 how many times? 2 times. 2 into 2 into 16 or not? Next question number 63. Circumference of a circle with radius are how much? 35. Second one, perimeter of a square with side are how much? 40. Radius of a circle is how much? 35. But we required which one? Circumference. Circumference means we return 2 into 22 by 7 into 35. It is Q1 or not? Next, second one, perimeter of a square with side are how much? 40. What is the perimeter of a square? 4a. Nothing but 4 into 40 or not? Okay. Obviously Q1 is greater than Q2 or not? Because 7 how many times? 35. 5 times. We are get the more than 160 or less than 160? More than 160. Means Q1 is greater than Q2. 64. Very easiest question. What is the difference between 186 and 6? 180. It is equal to how many times of x? 15 times of x. Then x must be 12. Next, 4y equal to 60. Y equal to 15. Then relation x less than y means first option or not? Next, 65. Quadratic equation or not? X square plus 36x plus 275 equal to 0 or not? 275 it is 25 multiple or not? How many times? 11 times or not? 25 10 times 250. 1 time or 25? Means it is 11 times or not? One will be 25, another one are 11 or not? It is x values. But in second equation, total are divided by 2 or not? Y square plus 20y plus how much? 75 equal to 0. 75 means it is 15 multiple or not? 15 how many times? 5 times. Then y value must be minus 15 minus 5 or not? Okay. Minus 25 minus 15 less than minus 25 minus 5 less than, but minus 11 compared to minus 15 greater. Less than greater means relation can't be established. Comparison of quantities also complete. Next, table. Question number 46 to 50. data related to candidates appeared and qualified in a competitive exam from 2 states during how many years? 5 years or not? Okay. One is given appeared candidates, another one are percentage of qualified or not. Out of 460, how much percent are qualified? 60%. Next, out of 750, how much percent are qualified? 50% or not? What is the first question? If the respective ratio in the number of qualified candidates from state B in the year 2019 and 2020 is given how much? 8:13. What is the number of qualified candidates from state B in the year 2020 or not? First, state B qualified candidates in 2019. State B in 2019, 520 or not? Out of 520, how much percent? 40%. That 40% are represents how many parts? 8 parts or not? 40% are represents how many parts? 8 parts. 8 parts are 40%. Every 1 part are 5%. Then 13 parts? 65%. 65% of which value we need? 520 or 420? 520 or not? No. 65% of which one? 520. 65% of 520 means ending with 0. How many options? 40% of which one? 520. That value represents how many parts? 8 parts or not? Okay. We required which one? Appeared or qualified? Qualified. Qualified is how many parts? 13 parts. Okay. Okay. 8 how many times? 5 times. 5% of 520. 26 into how much value? 13 or not? Same gada. How much ending with? 8. How many options? 2 options. Okay. In that only one option are 13 multiple or not? Which option? Fourth one. 8 how many times? 5 times. 5% of 520, 26 into 13. 338 or not? Next 47. If the average number of qualified candidates from state A in 2016, 17 and 18 is given how much? 340. What is the number of qualified candidates from state A in 2018 or not? Average of A in 2016, 17 and 18 is given how much? 340. Nothing but it is 3 into 340 or not? Average or 340 means some value 3 into 340. First in 2016, out of 460 how much percent? 60% or not? 2017 also out of 750 how much percent? 50% or not? Okay. 3 into 350, 3 years value or only 1 year value? 3 years value or not? Okay. In that 2 years value, 60% of which one? 460. 50% of which one? 750 or not? 3 into 340 or not once? Next, another one. 60% of which one? 460. Then I return 6 into 46 or not? 6 into 46. Another one. 5 into which one? 75 or not? Okay. Out of first value, remaining 2 are subtracting or adding? Subtracting. 3 into 0 means we are getting 0 or not? Okay. 6 is how much? 36. 5 is 25. It is 6 ending value. It is ending value 5. 6 plus 5, 11. 20 minus 11. Ending with 9 or not? Ending with 9, how many options? 2 options or not? Sum is multiplied by 3. Each one also 3 multiple or not? Each one also 3 multiple. Then answer also 3 multiple or not? How many options? 369 and 329. Which one is the 3 multiple? 369. 3 values minus 2 values. We are get the remaining value or not? Next 48. out of the number of qualified candidates from state B in the year 2016, the respective ratio of male and female candidates is 7:6. If the number of female qualified candidates from state B in 2016 is given how much? 36. What is the number of appeared candidates both male and female in the state B in the year 2016? Okay. What are the female qualified candidates? How many parts? 6 parts. In place of 6 parts, how many members are given? 36 or not? 6 parts are given how much? 36. By 6 means we are get the 1 part value or not? Into 7 means we are get the male value or female value? Male value. But male and female is how many parts? 13 parts or not? Male and female means how many parts? 13 parts. That 13 parts are equal to how much percent? Which year? B value in 2016. How much percent? 52%. Means this value represents how much percent? 52%. But we required appeared candidates or qualified candidates? Appeared candidates. Means how much percent we need? 100%. 6 parts, 36. 1 part, 6. 13 parts, 78. That 78 equal to which percent? 52%. But we required 100% or not? 6 times, 13 how many times? 4 times. It is 600 by 4. How much? 150. Which option? 4th one. What is the difference between the number of qualified candidates from state B in 2017 and that in 2018? Difference between qualified candidates of state B in 2017. State B in 2017. Out of 450, how much percent? 60 or 70? 60%. What is the 60% of 450? 270. Next to 2018. Out of 600, how much percent? 39% or not? Just wait. 60% of which one? 450 or not? 60% of 450. But second one I written 60% of 390 or not? 390. What is the difference? 60% of 60 or not? What is the 60% of 60? 36. Okay. Next. 50. Number of appeared candidates from state A is increased by 100% from 2019 to 2020. If the total number of qualified candidates from state A in 2019 and 2020 together is how much? 700. What is the total number of appeared candidates from state A in the year 2019 or not? First, from 2019 to 2020, appeared candidates are increased by how much percent? 100%. Suppose in 2019 it will be taken as 100%. Then 2020 it will become 200% or not? 200%. Out of 100%, how much percent are qualified in 2019? 40%. But in 2020, out of 200%, how much percent are qualified? 50%. What is the 50% of 200%? 110%. But 40% of 100%? 40% or not? These two are adding, we are get the appeared candidates or qualified candidates? Qualified candidates. Qualified candidates or appeared candidates? Qualified candidates. 40 plus 110 how much? 150. But in place of 150 how much value are given? 700 or 750? 700. Paper are given 750 or 700? 700. Sorry, second one it is 100. Sorry. 40% of 100 means 40. 50% of 200 means 100. Total it is 140%. But in place of 140%, how much value are given? 700. Almost 5 times or not? Then answer 500. 140% equal to which one? 700. 100% will be 500. Next. Table are complete. Next. Last one. 31 to 40. The respective ratio in the curved surface area and total surface area of a cylinder is how much? 9:16. If the curved surface area of the cylinder is 3564, what is its height or not? What is the curved surface area formula? 2 pi RH, total surface area 2 pi r into h plus r plus h. What is the common value? 2 pi r. What is the remaining value in first one? R or h? H. Second one r plus h, equal to which ratio? 9:16 or not? What is the curved surface area formula? 2 pi RH, total surface area 2 pi r into r plus h or not? Okay, which one is the common value? 2 pi r. What is the remaining value? H by r plus h, equal to which ratio? 9:16. Height is how many parts? 9 parts. How many options are 9 multiple? 2 options or only 1? 2 options. Already h value 9 parts, but r plus h will be 16 parts, means r must be 7 parts or not? R must be 7 parts. And one more, curved surface area of the cylinder is given how much? 3564. 3564. Curved surface area means we written 2 pi r h or not? 2 into 22 by 7 into, what is the radius? 7 parts or 8 parts? 7 parts into height value 9 parts, equal to which one? 3564 or not? 3564. 7 cancel or not? Okay. 2 into 22, 44. 44 almost 8 times or not? 44 8 times 352. What is the remaining value? 44. How many times? 9 times or not? Means 1 time. 9 again how many times? 9 times. Parts into parts, it will be part square or not? Every one part equal to 3. We required how many parts? 9 parts. Then answer 27. If we are get the odd number, means definitely we are get the perfect square value odd number or not? 9 is the odd number or not? Means square number also we are getting odd number or even number? Odd number. Which one is the odd number? 1827. 27 is the odd number or not? Okay. Next, question number 32. A and C started a business and B joined after 4 months from the start of the business. The respective ratio between the investments of ABC was 4:7:9. If C's share in the annual profit was 780 more than the which one? B share. What was the total annual profit are earned? What is the first one investment? 4 parts. Second one 7 parts. Third one 9 parts. First one are invested for how many months? 12 months. Third one also. Third one 12 months. Second one 8 months or not? Okay. 4 into 12, 7 into 8 and 9 into 12 or not? Okay. 4 12s are how much? 48. 7 8s are 56. 9 12s are 108. A C share compared to B share, how much value are more? 780 more or 780 less? 780 more. How much value are difference? 56 and 108. What is the difference? 52 parts. What is the 52 parts value? 780. What is the question here? Total annual profit. Total how many parts? 56, 48, 108. Total it is 2. 104 plus 108. 212. We require 212 parts or not? Okay. What is the 52 one time? 52. Half of the 52? 26. Means 52 plus 26, it is 78 or not? Means 1.5 times or 2.5 times? 1.5 times. Nothing but 15 times or not? 15 into 212 or not? It is 3180 or not? 3180. Next question number 33. 12 liters of pure water was added to a vessel containing 68 liters of pure milk. 40 liters of the resultant mixture was then sold, and some more quantity of pure milk and pure water was added to the vessel in the respective ratio of which one? 10:1. If the resultant respective ratio of milk and water in the vessel is how much? 27:4. What was the quantity of pure milk added in the vessel? Milk is added is how many parts? 10 parts. We required milk adding value or not? Means how many options are 10 multiples? Only one or not? We required adding milk or subtract milk? Adding milk. Adding milk is how many parts? 10 parts. How many parts we required? 10 parts or not? How many options are 10 multiples? Only one. Okay. What is the water initially? 12. Milk 68. Total mixture 80 or not? In that how many liters are taken? 40. Means half or not? Half will be removed or not? Mixture or half removed means milk also half, water also half. What is the half of the 68? 34. Means remaining milk is 34. Out of the 12, half are removed or not? What is the remaining value? 6 or not? Okay. Next, again we are adding the milk and water are in which ratio? 10:1. Milk are adding 10 parts, water are adding 1 part. Solving this one, we are get the ratio or not? That ratio are equal to which one? 27:4 or not? Okay. 4 into 34, 136. 27 into 6, 162 or not? 162. 134, 162. Difference. 162, 134 difference. 28. 40 parts and 27 parts. 13 parts or not? 13 parts equal to how much value? 28 or 26? 20. 4 into 34, how much? 136. 27 into 6, 81. 2 times 182 or not? What is the difference? 160, 162. What is the difference? 26. 13 parts, 26 means what is the 1 part value? 2 or not? What is the required? We required 10 parts or 1 part? 10 parts. Answer 20. 162, 136 difference. 26. Next question number 34. A bought certain quantity of apples at a total cost of how many rupees? 1000. He sold 1/4 of the apples at a 20% loss. If A earns a overall profit of how much percent? 10%. At what percent did A sell the rest of the apples or total apples? Rest of the apples. First case, how much percent are loss? 20%. But overall, how much percent are profit? 10%. What is the fraction are given? 1/4. Out of 4 parts, first time 1 part. Remaining are 3 parts. Total are 4 parts are not. On 1 part, how much percent are loss? 20%. On 4 parts, how much percent are profit? 10%. We need to identify the 3 parts or not? Okay. Plus equal or not? 1 part are given, 4 parts are given, we required 3 parts. 4 into 10, 40. Out of 40, minus 20 becomes plus 20. 40 plus 20, 60. 3 into something, 60 means something must be 20 or not? Which option? First option. Next question number 35. A person has to travel from point A to point B in a certain time, traveling at a speed of 12 km per hour, but he reaches 30 minutes early. While traveling at a speed of 8 km per hour, he reaches 40 minutes late or early. Late. What is the distance between from point A to B? One will be given early, another one are given late. Late and early means total time difference are how many minutes? 70 minutes or not? We required distance value or time value? Distance. Nothing but speed into time or not? Time difference are how many minutes? 70 minutes. 70 means 7 multiple or not? Then answer 7 multiple, how many options? Only 1. Wait. What is the first one speed? 12. Second one speed? 8. What is the product of these speeds? 12 into 8 or 12 plus 8? 12 into 8. What is the difference of these speeds? 4. What is the time difference? 70 minutes. 70 by 60 or not? It is equal to which one? Distance or time? Distance. Product of these speeds by difference of these speeds into time difference. Zeros are cancel or not? Okay. 4 into 6. 24. But 4 how many times? 12. 3 times. Again 3 how many times here? 2 times. 2 again here. 4. 4 sevens are 28. Okay. 12 twos are 24. 2 how many times? 4 or not? It is general normal method. What is the original speed? 12. What is the new speed? 8. How much speed are reduced? 4. Means how much part are reduced? How much part are reduced? 1/3 or 1/4? 1/3. 12 speed becomes 8 or not? Means how much speed are reduced? 4. 4 upon 12 or 4 upon 8? 4 upon 12. Means how much part are reduced? 1/3. Reduced value 1/3 or not? If reduced value 1/3, then increased value 1 by 2 or not? 1 by 2. How many minutes are time difference? 70 minutes. If one part are 70 minutes, then two parts are 140 minutes or not? 140 minutes. We require distance value or time value? Distance. Distance nothing but speed into time or not? What is the first case speed? 12. What is the time value? 140 minutes. 140 by written 60 or not? Okay. 0 0 cancel. 6 how many times? 2 times. Then answer 28. What is the inversely proportional? 1 by x, 1 by x plus 1 or not? Next 36. 26 men can complete a piece of work in how many days? 18 days. 52 men can complete the same piece of work in 15 days. What is the respective ratio in the amount of work done by 39 men in 1 day and the amount of the work done by 39 women in 1 day or not? 26 men can complete the whole work in 18 days. What is the 1 man 1 day work? 1 by 26 into 18 or not? But here second time how many men are working? 39 men. How many days? 1 day. Then 39 men 1 day work will be 39 into 1 by how much value? 26 into 18 or not? Next second one. 52 women can complete the whole work in how many days? 15 days. What is the 1 woman 1 day work? 1 by 52 into 15. But here how many women are working in second case? 39 women. How many days are working? 1 day. Then we return 39 into 1 or not? Okay. Numerator get cancelled or not? 26 how many times? 52. 2 times. 2 how many times? 18. 9 times or not? 3 3s are 3 how many times? 5 times. Then ratio. Don't say 3 is to 5. It is 5 is to 3. 18 and 30. Nothing but 3 is to 5 or not? 3 is to 5 actually inverse ratio. But we required work ratio or not? Next 37. A certain sum is divided among A, B, C in such a way A gets 30 more than the which one? 2/5 of the sum. And B gets 20 less than the 1/3 of the sum. And C gets 390 rupees. What is the total sum are involved or not? Okay. First, total sum is given or not given? Not given. But A getting how much value? 2/5 or total? 2/5. Means sum is divided by which one? 5 or not? Sum is divided by which one? 5. But second case sum is divided by which one? 3 or not? One case it is divided by 5, another case it is divided by 3. Then sum must be divisible by 5 and 3. Nothing but it is divisible by 15 or not? How many options are 15 multiples? First option, no. Second option, No. Third option. Yes. Fourth one. No. Fifth option. Fifth option. Yes or not? Total how many options are remaining? Two options or not? Okay. First we are assume the third option or not. If it is 1500 or satisfy, then answer will be that. If it is not satisfy, answer will be 1350 or not. Okay. First A gets 30 more than the which one? 2/5 of the sum. What is the 2/5 of the 1500? 600 or not. But A getting 30 more than the which one? Some value. Means A getting how much value? 630 or not. Next B getting 20 less than the which one? 1/3 sum. What is the 1/3 of 1500? 500. Compared to 500, how much value are less? 20 less. Means he getting 480. And one more, C value already given how much? 390 or not. These three are adding, we are getting how much value? 1500. Means it is satisfied or not. Then answer will be third option. We are not required fifth option or not. If it is not satisfied, fifth option is the answer or not. Next question number 38. Present age of Priyanka is equal to which one? Lavanya age how many years ago? 8 years ago. 8 years ends, the ratio between the Priyanka age and Lavanya age will be how much? 9:11. At that time, what is the question here? What is the Priyanka present age? After 8 years, Priyanka will be how many parts? 9 parts or not? But we required Priyanka present age or not? Okay. After 8 years, Priyanka must be how many parts? 9 parts. What is the first option? 25. After 8 years, 33. 33 is divisible by 9 or not? No. Second option, 26 plus 8. 34. It is divisible by 9 or not? No. Third option, 28 plus 8. 36. It is divisible by 9 or not? Next, fourth option, 31. No. 21 plus 8. No. Then answer, third option or not? Next question number 39. 20,400 was partly invested in scheme A at 10% per annum compound interest, compounded annually for how many years? 2 years. And partly in scheme B at 6% per annum simple interest for how many years? 5 years. Both the schemes earn equal interest or different interest? Equal interest. How much was invested in scheme A or scheme B? Scheme A. What is the rate of percent in scheme A? 10%. For 2 years compound or simple? Compound. 10% for 2 years compound means 21% of A or B? A. Next, second one, simple interest 6% for how many years? 5 years. Simple are how much percent? 30% or not? 30% of which value? B or not? Both are getting equal interest or different interest? Equal interest. Then A by B equal to 3 10 times 3 7 times. Then ratio are 10:7 or not? Okay. A getting how many parts? 10 parts. B getting 7 parts. Total are 17 parts or not? What is the 17 parts value are given? 20,400. We required how many parts? 10 parts or not? 17 ones are 17, remaining 34. 2 times or not? Then answer 12,000. A bag contains 4 red balls and 9 yellow balls and 7 pink balls. If one ball is drawn at random from the bag, what is the probability that it is either pink or yellow? How many balls are drawn? Only one or not? Okay. First, total how many balls are there? 20 balls or not? Total how many balls? 20. Out of 20 we are picked which one? One or not? That one will be either pink or yellow. How many pink balls are there? 7. Means written 7C1. Either or means plus or into. Plus. Next, remaining it will be either yellow or pink. How many yellow are there? 9. Means written 9C1. 7C1 plus 9C1 by 20C1 or not? 7 plus 9, 16 by 20. Answer 4 by 5. Okay, complete. థ్యాంక్ యూ.